Hello, students. How is it going? Fine? Okay, in our class today, we are going to learn about procedure text in the form of recipe. Do you know what recipe is? Alright. Here I have some questions for you. Do you have favorite food or drink? What is it made from? What are the steps we have to do to get it cooked? And, can you tell us how you make it step by step? Well, when you tell your friends how to make your favorite food or drink through a sequence of steps, you actually tell them a recipe. It is one kind of text called procedure text. And, today we are going to learn about that. We are going to learn about one kind of procedure texts called recipe. Of course, after learning, you are supposed to be able to make a recipe of your favorite food or drink. Okay, now let's have a look at an example of a recipe here. This is how to make fried rice. To make 2 portions of fried rice, we need 2 plates of rice, 4 cloves of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 egg, 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 chilies, shrimp cracker, salt, ketchup, pepper. But don't forget to prepare these instruments before the cooking process: frying pan, stove, plate, and spoon. Alright, students? These are the steps we have to do to make fried rice. First, steam the rice until it is cooked. Then, chop 4 cloves of onion into very small pieces, and fry them together with the red chilies and garlic until the onion becomes partly brown. After that, put 2 plates of the cooked rice into the pan, add some drops of ketchup and stir it well for a few minutes. Taste and see if some salt, pepper and ketchup is needed. Put the fried rice on a dish. Take an egg, and make an omelette. Cut it into slices. Put the shrimp cracker, the sliced tomato and cucumber around the fried rice on the dish. Now, your fried rice is ready to serve. Now, it is the time for discussion. Discuss with your friends and find the following things in the recipe: communicative purpose, generic structure, and language feature. Alright. This is the end of our learning session. Before we get to the end, you are supposed to do the following assignment. Compose a procedure text in the form of a recipe, describing how to make your simple favorite food and drink.